Hello there. Welcome to Garden Glow, your space for cozy green goodness. If you find that life feels like it keeps crashing on you and your days are filled with many things to do, you have found the right blog. You don't have to dedicate time, nor have acres of space to create your quiet garden. Start small, perhaps in a quiet corner, on a balcony, or a little patch on your patio, and use low-maintenance plants like snake plants, peace lilies, or soft trailing vines. You can incorporate a simple bench or chair for you to sit, pause, breathe, and take time just to be. Soft, warm lighting like fairy lights or a small lantern can add atmosphere at dusk and help you feel calm in the evening. A few neutral pots and a little foliage and one patch just for you can go a long way. Because at the end of the day, even a busy life needs a place to slow down. If you felt a little twinge of fresh air reading this, like, comment, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more peaceful ideas for your garden. Until next time.